undo this. Take off back plate. Here's your machine. Undo 1, 2, 3, 4 electrical connectors. 1, 2 clamps. Cool. I had to use a smaller screwdriver, about this big, and one of these to grab onto this screw here. And used the grips to undo this here screw. We're out. The old one is now removed. Same piece. Now I'm going to install the new motor. You have a ground and another ground. You choose to either put it on either side that you want. Then we're going to plug it back in. It came out rather easy. Alright, new piece is in. I basically had to replace this hose there. There's another clamp back there. It's easier to put the hose in first, and then clamp it on, and then work on this first hose here. So that one first in the back, this one second. That will come with another rubber hose on it. Put the clamp over the plastic piece. Reconnect your brown and blue wire. For the red wire here, it actually came with one of these, and the connector isn't the same, so all I did was remove the old red one and put it on the new one. There's also a harness bundle here, another connector that you gotta plug back in. There's also a ground way down there. You see that screw? There's a green wire, that's the ground, so make sure to reattach that. You have 3 grounding points on there, just choose your favorite one. Last, put the cover back on. Make sure to put the screw in. And you're done.